Colorado Governor Jared Polis says he wants to find ways for the state to continue working with immigration agents, even after a judge ruled yesterday that the way the governor and his administration were going about it was a violation of state law. I spoke to the governor here in Breckenridge at the Colorado Municipal League conference. He told me that it's too soon to tell if the state is going to appeal the judge's ruling or just find another way to work with ICE. The judge ruled that the state is blocked from ordering certain employees to work with ICE. The governor got sued by a Labor Department employee who said it was illegal for the state to give ICE information on dozens of guardians for unaccompanied minors in Colorado. ICE says it just wants to make sure those kids are okay, but they don't have a warrant. And it's not clear if there's an actual criminal investigation into those families. The judge ruled the Polis administration is likely violating the state law, which restricts cooperation with ICE. Now, the court order does not stop the governor from finding other workarounds besides the state's Labor Department in order to cooperate with ICE. While some of his fellow elected Democrats are pushing back on any collaboration with ICE, Polis told me he thinks there is a way to do it within state law.
Our interest, which I've always expressed, is making sure that we cooperate with any federal efforts to investigate child exploitation or child trafficking. We have a responsibility to these kids. And so, again, we're going to see what the court order says, see what the other avenues are to get there. But we certainly want to build a relationship that that we can work with our federal partners on criminal investigations.
I asked Polis how the state goes about determining whether ICE is really concerned with checking up on these kids' welfare or whether it just wants to round them up for deportation. Polis told me that's the tough part, and he called it a fine line to walk. The state employee who sued Polis and won in court yesterday says he hopes that victory encourages other state employees to stand up.
It sends a clear message that any production under the subpoena would be unlawful and is undertaken at the peril of anyone who sends that illegal order.
The governor says it could be a few weeks before the state knows if it's going to appeal the judge's ruling.